Hello! Today I'm making a spinach tart. There is a lot of flavor from the spinach and bacon. Along with the puff pastry, it's the perfect combination. Bring the oil to high heat and fry the bacon just until it starts to brown. Bring down the heat and add the onions. Once they are translucent, add the defrosted or blanched spinach. It's good to keep a little of the spinach water when adding it. We want the filling to be moist. Add the flour and cook for a couple more minutes before turning off the heat. Add the cream to help the mixture cool down. Pour in the nutmeg, black pepper and salt and mix. Whisk the egg. Once the spinach isn't hot anymore, pour the egg in and mix. The filling might look a little liquid, but that's okay. It will set during baking. We want it to have enough liquid to stay juicy. I recommend placing some baking paper beneath the puff pastry on the baking tray. It prevents that it sticks, but it's not necessary. Lay the spinach on the pastry and bake at 200 to 220 degrees Celsius, depending on your oven, for about 30 minutes. The filling is juicy and full of flavor, and the buttery puff pastry makes it even better. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a sweet version of the tart. For example, using apples or apricots. Like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. There is a new one every week. Also let me know which other recipes you'd like to see, and thanks for watching.